Hey guys, this is a daily analysis for the US dollar, Canadian dollar. As per request, it's currently 11:25 GMT, April 9th, 2009. Okay, looking at the weekly chart very quickly, we're currently trading at 1.2351. Um, in a long-term scheme of things, this is pretty much the middle of the range for the dollar CAD pair, so it's not in any kind of new territory. Going to the daily chart is where we begin to see things that should start to jump out at you, such as trend lines and support and resistance. Um, Major support and resistance trend lines, I would say this supporting trend line since October, the middle of October, it's been supporting the dollar CAD in this range. Um, we've had one, two, three, 4 or 5 touches. The fifth touch was actually Monday's daily candle, and it was a daily candle of that rose nearly 200 pips, and ever since then we've kind of been ranging slowly lower. It looks like we might be looking to break out, but we'll get to that in a second. On the top side of this giant ranging pair, we have the 1.30 level. Um, we do have this one peak. There's 3 touches initially, and we do have this one peak over here that made it to 1.3062. However, with daily candles, the most important thing is a daily close. Um, so the 1.30 level is still very significant, and if we ever were to get back up to this level in the near future and have a daily close above it, that would probably be a very good signal to go long. So these are the two trend lines going on right here. Down on the CCI, we have this trend line on the bottom, which is looking for a breakout of the bearish trend. And actually, you can see that the CCI is on the trend line, so we could be seeing a bounce off of this trend line, which would move it in a bullish direction. As for a breakout to the bullish side, all you got to do is flip it over. We do have a little space right there. It's a little bit hard to see, but it is there. If we do cross below this trend line right here, that would be another signal to go long. However, both of those CCI trend lines will probably break at the same time if it is a bullish breakout. So moving down to the 4-hour chart, we can get a little bit better idea of what's going on. We have this major peak up here, which is at the 1.2713 level, and we have this descending trend line right here. Um, there we go. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 touches. This is a 4-hour chart. So after we had the bounce initially this week, we moved off of it and we've slowly been ranging down. Because this initial bounce was bullish, the breakout is expected to be bullish as well. Um, so a confirmation would be a break, setting a new swing high, which would be a break of the 1.24 level on a 4-hour chart. The current 4-hour candle closes in 30 minutes. Um, so if over the next few days, or actually the next day or so, you see a break of 1.24, I would suggest going long, and you could be targeting any one of these peaks right here, 50 to 100 pips. Um, Although it's more than likely if it breaks this trend line to continue up and possibly in several days end up retesting this 1.27 level. Um, Other things on the 4-hour chart is this double bottom right here at the 1.23 level. So we're kind of almost officially trading in a 100 pip range. Uh, Going short on the pound, or not the pound, the dollar CAD, I would suggest short term on a break of 1.23. However, you do have the supporting trend line just 50 pips below that, right down at 1.2250, and a daily close below this trend line would definitely be a signal to go short. Um, but these are kind of daily trades. So for right now, I'd be looking for a break of this trend line. I'm not so too much looking for any short possibilities, just bullish possibilities off of this trend line. Um, so a break of 1.24, possible target, 1.2650 area, and to take profit. And that's about it. Uh, Hope this analysis helps you. Have a good day.